Hello, my name is William M. Soup. This is take 764. The song is called Chasing Birds. The dog don't care what you have to say, just how you say it. She just wants that bone in your hand, no matter where you lay it. And if you don't got a bone, she'll take whatever. But then look upon her face, says she knows you ain't all that clever. She knows what she wants, even when she doesn't. She saw with your own two eyes, but I guess it wasn't. But you just keep on talking, and she'll just keep on walking until she finds it. She came home yesterday, she found another. The one with the keys to her heart, oh brother. Well, I just smiled and figured she knew best. 'Cause I got lots of bones, and I don't like her tone, I must confess. Ooh. Oh. The moral of the story is when you talk on all that is, it's just words. And then look upon your face, it will just erase all she's heard. And you know that she always would rather be chasing birds. Thanks.